Hi guys, welcome to the first video of this training. Now this is the first thing you're going to be learning, the best application you can use to generate gorgeous photos of yourself using AI. Now what you have to do now is to go to your Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or you go to your iOS store if you're using an iPhone, and download the Remini app. This app showing on the screen right now. Just download the Remini app and make sure it's installed on your phone. So now you've installed the Remini app. Now the next thing to do is to open the app, because now we want to stage the app. So first things first, you have to open the app. So how do you open the app? You tap on the app, wait for it to load. It's loading. Yeah, and now it's opened. Now I have this interface here because I have subscribed to the app. Okay, so now you who is going to be opening the app for the very first time, you're not going to be having this interface, but I made a screenshot of the interface and the things you're going to be having. Okay, so now you're going to have this interface, enhance your photos in one tap. Okay, so now once you get this interface, you tap on get started. So once you tap on get started, you'd be asked what do you want to do with Remini. So you tap on generate AI photos and then you tap on submit. Okay, after that you'd get access to this interface. Now I want you to know that Remini app is not a free app. Okay, it is a paid app, and we have the light app. We have the light version of the Remini app and have the pro version. So now for this training, we're going to be focusing on the light version because we're using our smartphone to do it, and the light version is way cheaper than the pro version. So if you have money, you can subscribe for it yearly at 16,000 naira per year, or you can do 1,570 naira per week if you have money. But if you don't have money at all and you just want to generate AI photos for yourself, you tap on start for free. Now once you tap on start for free, you'll be asked to input your card details. Okay, don't fret, don't be afraid, they're not going to charge you. Once you tap on start for free and you input your card details, you'll be able to use the Remini app for free for 7 days. You'll be able to use it to generate AI photos of yourself for 7 days. So now you inputting your card details only gives you access to be able to use the Remini app for 7 days, okay, for free, without being charged. Okay, so if you don't want to be charged, you go ahead to cancel your subscription before the 7 days runs out. Okay, so now once you've gotten access to the Remini app, either you got it via paid version or you're trying it out for free, you're still going to have this interface. Okay, you're still going to land on this interface, either you've paid for the app or you're trying it out for free on your 7 days trial. You're still going to land on this interface. Okay, so now we have to enhance our photos because the quality of the photos we use will determine the quality of the AI photo that would be generated. Okay, so now let's pick a photo we would want to enhance. Okay, let's say we want to enhance this photo. You tap on it and then you tap on enhance, then uploading image. The enhancement may take a few seconds. Please don't quit the app. Don't quit the app. Wait for it to load. Okay, yep, now you can see the before and after of this photo. You can slide to check the difference. This is after, this is before. You can see before the picture was kind of blurry, but now it is brighter. Okay, and now it has other options. We have background. You can enhance the background if you want. You can lighten up the background if you want. Okay, so it has 1 2 3. You can pick any slide you want, but I'm sticking to my first slide because I think the photo is okay. So it still has the face beautifier option. You can tap on it, wait for it to process. Yep, Now it has processed. You can pick anyone you want. Let's see. Okay. I think it's too much. So you can just pick any option you want and then you tap on the marked icon and make sure you slide to the very end of the video, to the very end of the picture. Now once it's done, you tap on this save icon at the top and wait for it to download. As you can see, this is the interface we're going to be having once we've gotten access to the Remini app, either via paid, that is by subscribing, or 7 days trial by inputting your card details. So this is a screenshot. So then you just tap on the AI photos. All right, once you tap on this AI photos down below, this AI photos down here, you'd now have access to this interface. Let's set up your AI profile. Then you pick your gender. Okay, tap on female for me, then continue. Okay, let's set up your AI profile. Show us how you look. Showing how you look will allow the AI to create amazing photos of you. Upload 8 selfies. Tap on 8 selfies. Now let's look for images. 8 images to upload. I have images I've enhanced already. Okay, so let's use this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, continue. Now you'll be asked to pick a model image. AI will generate images of yourself with the overall style and composition of the model image you pick. Alright, so now you just have to scroll and look for a model image you would like. They have diverse model images here. Okay, so you take your time and scroll and look for a particular model image you like. I'll go for this. Okay, we'll use the style and composition of this photo to create images of yourself. Use model image, uploading photos. Okay, 8 out of 8 photos uploaded. Okay, so we are working on your photos. Estimated time 7 minutes. Again, it says don't worry, the first time takes longer, the next will take less than 1 minute. Okay, so I urge you, once it gets to this point, I urge you not to quit the app. Just have patience, have patience with the app. Okay, it's going to take time. Most times it takes more than 7 minutes, so you just have to have patience with the app. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and I will come back once it has finished generating my photo. Okay, so it has finally generated the AI photos for me, and this is really not looking like me. So this has delete and this is download. So if I swipe like this, it means delete, and if I swipe like this, it means download. So this doesn't, it's not coming out nice, doesn't look like me, so I'll delete it. Yes, I don't like it. I think this is better. No, I don't like this. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so now it will ask you get a video too. If you want to save the video, you tap on yes, save video. If you don't want to save the video, you tap on no thanks. So for me, I don't want the video, so I tap on no thanks. Okay, so now if you want, you can generate more images if you want, or you can, if you feel any of those images generated doesn't look like you can tap on generate more to generate more images, or you can change model image. Now once you tap on model image, you'll be able to pick another model, and once you tap on another image, you'll be able to pick another model. Let's try this. Use this model image. Okay, you can see time left 208 seconds. The first one used took us 7 minutes. Okay, and they told us that the second time would be less than 1 minute. So now this has 201 seconds. I'll still pause this video again for us to see the images this would this model would generate for us. Okay, so it has finally generated another images again, another set of images, and I don't like, no, I don't like this. No, I don't like this as well. Okay, yeah, this is better. I don't like this, and I don't like this as well. So I picked two, just two, so you can generate more until you finally get an image that looks exactly like you. Okay, now to generate images of other people, remember, even if you're now in enhance, okay, so even if you tap on these AI photos, you'd still see the last image of previous the change model image of the previous image you wanted to generate AI photos for. So what you do now is to tap on these settings icons at this top here, tap on it, then you tap on this retrain AI model. Then you'd see this option. Are you sure? If you continue, your current model will be deleted forever. Tap on yes, delete model. Once you tap on yes, delete model, you'd come back to this interface again. So let's say you want to generate an AI photo for a male gender. Okay, you tap on male, you tap on continue, you tap on upload 8 selfies, then you now upload 8 selfies of the male. Once you tap on continue, you'd also get images. Okay, you get images you can use, various model pictures. So you pick anyone you want to pick, and then it would upload for you and do the normal thing, and then you would also be able to generate images for other people. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to be removing the Remini watermark. Okay, as we all know, once you generate your photos from Remini, you'd have watermark here, Remini generated with AI. Okay, and it's not good for you to upload pictures like this with this watermark. It will be like casting yourself. It won't look professional at all. So there are two ways you can go about it. You can either go about it by cropping it away with just your smartphone and saving it. Yes, yeah, yes, okay, so we can see the difference. So in a situation where you don't want to crop it, let's say you have a full picture where the leg is showing, I didn't generate any like that in this. Okay, so let's say you have a full picture where the leg is showing and you don't want to crop it, okay, or you like it the way it is, you don't want to crop it like this. What you need to do is to go to your browser on your phone and search for watermark remover, watermarkremover.io. okay, and search for it. Okay, go to this site, watermarkremover.io, then you no sorry okay, watermarkremover.io, then you switch from mobile to desktop sites. Once that is done, once you switched from mobile to desktop site, tap on upload image. So let's select this image, tap on select image, then tap on done. Okay, so it's uploading image, please wait. Okay, so can you see Remini here, watermark removed? Okay, so can you see this is the original Remini generated with watermark. So yeah, watermark is removed. Okay, so the watermark is removed. Now you see remove text off, remove text, remove logo off. So slide it to on. Processing image, please wait. Processing image, wait for it to process. Just wait a little while for it to process. So it has removed it. Okay, so remove logo on. Let's remove the logo, tap on. So can you see here it has Remini generated with AI, and here it doesn't have anything. Okay, So now you tap on download the image. So it's downloading. Yeah, downloading file. File downloaded, open. So as you can see, it doesn't have any watermark.